Hi, this is Linda Longo with Enlightenment Magazine, and I'm at Lightivation at the Dallas Market Center. I'm here with Mike Hadank, Vice President of Sales for Ledi, the LED Inspirations. Mike, tell me a little bit about this new product, which is COB.
So chip on board is what COB stands for, and COB is actually a new technology. So what it did is it's solving for the problem that everybody has with tape light, where you end up with a small little wafer on a typical tape light. This particular one has a lot more wafers on it, so that in and of itself helps to start to eliminate dotting. But even a product like this, if you didn't have it in the channel and you're on a reflective surface, on that reflective surface you're still going to see those dots. So chip on board does a couple things. On the technology side, it does a lot more that we won't get into this video on, but the effect of it is it's going to give you a nice band of light. And in this particular case, we have the product on a board that is controlled by Kasami devices. So I'm going to just turn one of these Kasami devices on.
And that works right from your smartphone?
And this works right through my smartphone. So it's a free app that we download. And in this particular case, I'm going to turn on 2700 Kelvin. And what I want you to do, Linda, if you can get a little closer onto this product, I can show you how small these LEDs are. And you'll see that on these LEDs are actually straight onto the circuit board. So what I was showing you before, if you see compared to this, instead of having the white package with phosphor and the diodes on the package, it's literally directly on the circuit board, and then we take a nice silicone phosphor over the top of the entire band, and that's how we end up with a nice solid band of light. So the benefit to the consumer, no more dotting on the tape, and anytime you get on a reflective surface, I can now give you a nice band of light. And you did not sacrifice lumen output, so I can show you on this control that as far as the light output and the lumen output, you really didn't lose anything. I will tell you that the only place that it starts to get challenging is if you had product like our high-end spec grade product, where you get into 900 lumens. That it's not going to get that high, but it does a very nice job of delivering almost 500 lumens a foot, which I'm going to say for most applications is going to be more than enough that most people are going to factor that down through a dimmer or some other device. So,
and it's more efficient, I think you said.
Yeah, because the diodes are smaller, they run cooler, right? So we don't have to dissipate as much heat as we did before. So it's a more efficient device. It delivers effectively the same amount of lumen output on the mid-range, and all the different color temperatures available from 2700 to 4000 K. So again, it's a great application for something that's on a reflective surface.
Excellent. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.